Bueno, tubakwithira titana mbere kwatana na oniki ndero chieto tuchokirania ati agotirirwa ng'ikitho mumiru ibakure thirikari wika werone bubu emibango na mitaratara yayo nende mantoni yege kithomo baruwa batamenya boya buria kwa karamantoni yege kithomo kya CBC na chukuru cha primary cha boarding koroki BARIUGA gutiu thirikari rauga mantu yege MAURITANI ARIMU grade 7 8 na KINYA tabura Antoni Kathenya au THIRIKARI.
Ikundi mwanya ndi amwabuli wa elimu yetu ile muna ngwatanira ya ACIARI bana baskuru amuna ngwatanira ya elimu baskuru je secondary nibe umilite kuminile mama matagare mara thirikari yonekanite kujukia wantu kumbe tuku mama matagare mama ne gutejanira wa skuru je boarding kira na ba grade 1 mpaka grade 9 kulingana mpaka thaino ACIARI baingi kabakuwa mitebati kumenya matagare mara bakajukia kuthia ukabere kethiro etagaria lele likaingwa baingi bao bakigwetaga tengoge jauli tikeria na bao kuthomera skuru ja boarding na kubaleta mejie ni kibarua kinene kibo.
Most parents, especially those with children in boarding schools, they're already thinking, now what am I going to do? Why? The idea could be okay, but the thing, it was a roadside declaration. There's still a lot of questions. Those questions have not been answered. We require those questions. And because of that, we require guidelines so that everyone can be in the clear. Circulars are not enough. Circulars will be targeted to head teachers and principals, but we want the public to be in the know, to assuage this thirst of wanting to know more about the transition.
Kulingana kiama kia ACIARI thirikari teraneti na ACIARI kire matagarita mama okagita kanibere thito gusuko kwa na grade 7 grade 8 na grade 9 kire skuru ja primary gwitukira junior secondary school kethirwa kwe murigo munene kia ACIARI ni baulite thirikari kuongera mbesa kire skuru ja primary.
It is important that this is given in the primary school, but capitation is the key issue here. Because we are actually looking at being a secondary school, domicile in primary. The ministry should increase their capitation to match that of secondary schools. The other thing is about the parents being engaged and empowered to understand. Because when the implementation was done, it was not actually effectively done. There was not enough information that was given to the parents. That's why you are seeing parents are really crying because they are not really aware of these happenings in the CPC.
Kagita kana ngwatanira ya ARIMU ba secondary balani baba kugwetwa ati bakathomithiana ba junior secondary schools ni bele iditigotewerwo kuma ki thirikari kiri mutaratara ju kupeti kiri idegi ati ARIMU baingi batibanganitie kuthomithia rutwa baba.
There is inadequate training. Teachers need to be retooled. Okay, we are already trained, but teachers need to be retooled again and again and again, so that at least what they are going to dispense, they know clearly what they are going to do.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Antoni Rangi wa Kathenya.